All right. Mental math is very important for every child. You may want to know how to multiply or add numbers or subtract numbers or divide numbers within the limit of experimental errors. What are these tricks that you need to understand as a child to do maths mentally and be very quick with arithmetic? Let's say you want to multiply. So I'm going to say multiplication tricks. Multiplication tricks. This will enable you to do faster. So let's start with 2. Multiply. Multiply by 2. Now, what is the meaning of multiply by 2? Okay, it means you should double every time. Double or add the numbers to themselves. Add the number to itself. For example, 2 times 7 equals 7 plus 7. And that is what? 14. 2 times 47, double 47. Just say 47 plus 47, and that will give you what? 94. All right. Now, what's the next step? If I ask you to multiply by 4, that's another one you need to consider. The trick is simply, since you are multiplying by 2 and then you have to double, it means that you need to double 2 times. Multiply by 4 simply means you double and double again. So let's go. 4 times 5 simply means double 5. That is 5 plus 5 and double again. 5 plus 5. That will be what? 20. You can try out other numbers. See if you can multiply them by 5 and then by 4 and then double the numbers and see what you're going to get. Now the next one is multiply by 5. If you want to multiply, this one is very tricky but very simple. Multiply by 5. Anytime you want to multiply numbers by 5, you say 5 times 50. What do? First, cut into half. Cut this 50 into half. That will be 50 divided by 2. Half of 50 is 25. And then multiply by 10. This will give you 250. So if you say 5 times 50, for instance, you know 5 times 5 is 25, so you get 250. Now, I want you to multiply 5 by 30. So what you do is this. Half 30, that is 15, and then multiply by 10. That is what? 150. As you can see, this is not only useful for primary school, it's useful for primary school, secondary school, and even for everyday life. Now your question. I want you to multiply 6 by 2, multiply 6 by 4, and then also multiply 6 by 5. Once you are done with that, evaluate yourself and give yourself other questions. Thank you.